everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How are you doing today? Have you been reading lots of books on your own? That sounds awesome. Have you had your daily dose of sunshine yet? It's nice and sunny here today, and we are really happy that we get to play outside. Well, it's time to get started on our reading, and today we have The Colors of Kindness by Kristen Bellamy and Michael Batcher. Let's have a look. The Colors of Kindness. Hello, Rainbow, Panda Bear said. Why do you look so sad today? Your smile is upside down and there are tears in your eyes. Your beautiful colors are gray. Rainbow forced a smile, but was sad today. It was true. I'm a rainbow that gets brighter with kindness, and today my colors can't shine through. I want my colors back, Panda Bear, but I need your help to find mine. What advice can you give me, Panda Bear? Can we make my colors shine? Be kind and brave, be patient and proud, be honest and fair, said Bear. Be funny or silly, be friendly or warm, and as magnificent as you dare. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be kind. Smile at someone as you pass them by or share your toys with a friend. Use your big heart. Be gentle and kind. And a smile is what you have in the end. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be brave. Being brave isn't always that easy. It's okay to feel frightened or scared, but when your shining strength helps a friend in need, it really proves that you care. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be patient. Being patient and calm is sometimes hard too, especially when you've had a bad day. Take a deep breath and don't get upset. Keep your mind at ease. Namaste. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be proud. Panda Bear said, I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of you too. You're helpful and kind, such a great friend, and your intentions are always so true. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be honest. Telling fibs to your family feels icky. Panda doesn't like how it feels inside. It's a much better feeling to be truthful and honest, the colorful rainbow replied. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be fair. Following the rules can be tricky sometimes. It's hard to remember to act fair. Standing up for a friend when they are being treated unfairly proves how much you truly care. Just follow the colors of your kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be funny. Making someone laugh is easy. Panda wanted Rainbow to see. You can dance around all silly and make a funny face like me. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be a friend. It's fun to play games with each other. I love to hear my friends laugh with glee. I love that they're always there when I need them. They've always got a friend in me. Just follow the colors of kindness and let your true colors shine through. Follow what feels right, Panda Bear said. I believe in you. Be magnificent. You're beautiful, impressive, astounding. You're dazzling, spectacular, and cool. You followed the colors of kindness, and now you're bright again, rainbow. You rule. And that was The Colors of Kindness. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you like a copy of this book, the links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this story, do subscribe for more videos like this. Also, leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. Till we see you again, you take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye. Well, today we have a book called The Day the Sun Wouldn't Get Out of Bed by Ewan Black. Imagine if the sun wouldn't get out of bed. Wouldn't that be really, really sad? It would be, because I love sunshine. The day the sun wouldn't get out of bed. The instinct to console a loved one is strong in each of us. We can feel pressure to fix a situation or motivate someone to move on and put what they're going through behind them. Never underestimate the power and effectiveness of simply listening. That is so true. Sometimes just by being there with someone helps a whole bunch. Time to get up, said Moon to Sun. My shift is over and yours has begun. But I don't want to, said Sun to Moon. I'm still too tired. It's still too soon. You're being lazy. I'm tired too. My night has ended. The day should be new. I'm not being lazy. I don't mean to moan. I can't create the day. I feel a bit alone. But the day is you, so you must go. Now is your time. I won't hear a no. I can't do it. Every day is the same. I'm really sorry, Moon. You are not to blame. This isn't funny, Sun, and cannot be true. The world will wake in darkness with a sky without you. I wish I was joking, but I think I've lost my light. The world should carry on as if it was the night. Okay, said Moon. I think I understand how you're feeling today. It's not something you plan. All night alone, I find it hard too. When I feel like this, my light is slightly blue. Every night the same, you feel less keen. I feel less whole and only half can be seen. These things are tough. It has to be said, and sometimes you wish you could stay in your bed. We've been doing this a while, my friend, my chum, and sometimes that means hard days will come. But you should know you are loved by all, from the moment you rise until you finally fall. You bring life to many, and hope to some. When you can't be seen, it isn't much fun. What you choose to do is only your choice, and that's all you will hear from this moony voice. Thank you, said Sun. I agree, old friend. I'm going to get up. The night should end. This morning I'll use a cloudy duvet. It won't be my brightest, but that is okay. So the two carried on through the day and the night. Sometimes they were dim and other times bright. Sun never forgot what Moon had said. There is always a reason to get out of bed. Wasn't that such a beautiful message? Sometimes we have cloudy days. Sometimes we have half moons or the crescent moon and the full moon, and they're all okay. Sometimes we feel sad and sometimes we feel happy. But do know that you're loved and that you matter. And sometimes it's okay to stay in bed too. I hope you enjoyed the day the sun wouldn't get out of bed. Such a lovely story. Get your own copy of this beautiful story in the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this book, do give us a like and subscribe for more stories like this. You take care of yourself, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.